asked very often about good screening shrubs that grow fast because I need that instant screen. Well, I'm standing next to a plant called Sweet Viburnum, and this is probably one of the most overlooked good screening shrubs for our area. It handles our climate, which if you're not in this area where I'm speaking from in Mobile, Alabama, between zones 8 and 10. We're actually in zone 8, so it works here. This shrub has a medium green color, so it's something a little different. So much of what grows here is a dark glossy green, and so this gives a little different shade of green to our landscape, and it grows up to about 12 feet tall. So usually that's where we want to go, where we would top off a screen plant anyway, is about 12 feet. So this kind of maxes out around that height. It also is very thick. It's going to give you where you can't see through it, and it's super easy to maintain, and it grows very fast, which is always the ideal for if you want something that's going to give big impact really quickly. So if you haven't checked out a Sweet Viburnum or you've never heard of it, do some research on it and see if this is the right plant for you, because it's one of my favorites.